Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, I'll show you how to make money with AI generated music using Spotify and Suno. So whether you're creating relaxing music, lo-fi beats, cinematic soundtracks, pop songs, or instrumental albums, AI can help you produce music much faster and distribute it to streaming platforms around the world. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to create AI music with Suno, prepare it for Spotify, distribute your tracks, and explore real examples of music niches you can build around. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is to create an account with Suno. So go ahead and create an account. Creating an account is really easy. All you need to do is just sign up using your email or your Google account and then create a password and you'd be logged directly into the Suno platform. So welcome to Suno. Your account settings would be at the bottom here and you'll go through a simple onboarding process and you can begin enjoying music and what, makes you happy. All right, so if you plan to monetize your music, it's important to understand that only songs created while you're on a paid Suno plan include commercial use rights. Songs created on the free plan aren't licensed for commercial monetization. So you need to create an account and then monetize yourself by using an account. So click on upgrade to pro. And once you click on upgrade to pro, go ahead and pay for a pro plan. I'm currently on the free plan, so you do not get any of the commercial use cases, but you would get that on the pro plan or the premier plan. And this is on the annual, while on monthly, you're paying about $10 a month. So you can, have your songs listed on those platforms. All right, guys. So while we're back on Suno here, you can now go ahead and generate your AI music. Describe the type of song you actually want to create, including the genre, mood, instrument, tempo, and vocals if needed. So I'm going to go ahead and type this out. And then once you've typed it out, go ahead and click on create. And it's just going to take you into the simple or the advanced option. You would have to pass a captcha. After that, you can go ahead and create some songs. So it's creating this based off of what we just entered as the prompt, which was a Ghana type beat. And that is what it's creating in real time. All right, so you can generate multiple versions like so. I keep the ones you like best. And then you can keep on improving your song. So before publishing it, that is before, having it available on other platforms, you can spend some time reviewing each track, listen for audio glitches, incorrect lyrics, or anything that needs improvement. And you can regenerate sections or edit your prompts until you're satisfied with the final results. Just make sure to review the audio quality, the lyrics, the timing, and overall flow, and then export your finished songs. So this is what it looks like. You can also click to add your own lyrics, or you can also add some suggestions. You can widen the panel if you want, and then click on this to generate an instrumental only song. So we can just go with instrumentals alone, or you could turn it off if you do not want that. And then you could just select any of the songs and drag it. Just select any of the songs and you can easily play it. Now you can see how good that actually sounds coming from an AI, that the prompt was just 3 words, Ghana type beat. So this is it. And you can also click on remix or edits. If you click on this option here, you can open it in studio, but these are available once the song is done, producing. You can cover it if you want to add your music to it. You could add a mashup. You could sample the song. You could use it as an inspiration. You can also reverse the song so it sounds differently. You can adjust the speed, reuse the prompt. You could crop, remove some sections, or replace some sections with some other songs, or you could open it up in an editor or open it up in a studio. So if you click on open up in studio, you're going to need the Premier Plan subscription to do that. Otherwise, this is what it looks like here. This is the prompt for this song. You could just copy it and, paste it here in your song description or in the prompt. Now, there is an advanced mode here where you can add the lyrics. You can click on add audio to either browse to audios, upload an audio, record, or click on voice if you want to add some voices, but that is a pro plan. Click on inspo if you want inspirations you could take from. But yes, once you're done here, the next step is uploading your music to Spotify. Spotify doesn't actually let independent artists upload music directly. Instead, you'll need a music distributor that delivers your song to Spotify and other streaming platforms. So you can try Spotify for artists, but that basically works by developing your fan base, building a business, and then creating music around yourself. So when you scroll through, you can see more. It's basically built for artists. So you could try with these options where you just go ahead and create an account and then upload your song through here. But I would prefer if you sign up with a preferred music distributor and then create a new release, upload your audio file that you're going to be getting from Suno and the cover art as well as the song title, an artist name, and your release info. And then choose Spotify or any other streaming service you want your music to appear. And then once you're done, set up the Spotify artist profile. Once your music has been distributed, you can claim your Spotify artist profile. This lets you customize your page and track how your music performs. All right. And last but not least, try to promote your music. Publishing your song is only the beginning, but you have to grow your audience, promote your music across multiple platforms. You can also create short videos, lyrics, visualizers to encourage more people to listen. And then that's it, guys. Just grow your music catalog. The more high quality music you release, the larger your catalog becomes. And that's it. That's how to make money from AI music with Suno and Spotify. Comment down below if you have any questions and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.